Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and this video is going to consist of 3 parts. In the very first one, I would like to show you my completed kit from Make Market, Moon and Stars. I want to say Sun and Moon. No, Moon and Stars. This is their Summer Series 2026. It was released a few weeks ago. This kit is pretty small, 11 by 14 inches, but at the same time it came with 46 colors. Unfortunately, all of them were acrylic. Not a single AB was added, which, to tell you the truth, disappointed me a lot. Their Spring Series kit, the Butterfly, came with either 5 or 6 different ABs, so Make Market does have a lot of ABs. And the question why they didn't add a single one in this very kit was a big question for me. But what I can say, I did customize this kit a lot. Unfortunately, the camera doesn't show you how it really looks in real life. It sparkles amazingly, and on the camera it kind of looks pixelated. In reality, for example, these gates, they don't look that as pixelated as they do as it does on the camera. Actually, it looks as one piece of gold, and it looks amazing. So what I did, first of all, I did replace acrylic colors on the stars with the crystals and with gold metallic ones from Diamond Dots. I also added a few crystal drills over here and inside the gate. I completely changed the gate and added Diamond Dots metallic gold drills, also different color, like different shades. I also added yellow ABs, yellow opal drills, and crystals. I also added some Diamond Dots crystals here on the moon. I replaced white color with white AB, and I also enhanced the kit with blue ABs from Diamond Dots. And that's how it turned out. And this is just for comparison how the original kit looks like and how my customized kit looks. But again, off the camera it looks way better. While I'm looking at the screen, I think that the Golden Gate looks more detailed on the preview, but in reality it looks way less pixelated of the camera. So it came with a magnetic frame, so technically it is ready to be gifted. I'm just trying to catch the angle, but I can't, to show you not only the sparkle but a gorgeous detalization of this kit. I really like this celestial theme of this design, and everybody can see whatever they believe. Someone sees the gate to heaven, other people see the gates to another dimension or to another universe, others see the planet in another galaxy. So gorgeous. I really love this kit, and I'm planning on giving it away as a gift to my daughter's craft teacher or art teacher. So hopefully she will like this design. I'm not sure how other people would react on it, but your artistic people will definitely appreciate such a gorgeous image. And you can see the sparkle now, kind of, right? But again, off the camera it's way more intense. In case if you decide to also enhance your kits, if you purchase, right, this kit with golden metallic drills from Diamond Dots, oh my god, you will see the difference of the camera and on the camera. I'm telling you, this gate looks like a solid piece made of gold. Gorgeous, no pixelation whatsoever. So this is the first part. In the second part we are going to unbox a small sized I would say a snack sized kit from Temu, but the way it turned out is mesmerizing. Stay tuned. And we proceed with the second part of my video. It is the unboxing of this mini partial snack-sized kit that I purchased from Temu. I did not intend to purchase the diamond painting when I was shopping there. I was purchasing something for my home, but just right when DC area was blooming, you know, cherry blossom, other gorgeous plants, spring has come and everything was in bloom, I saw this very partial completed on AliExpress. Oh my god, it looks so gorgeous that I decided to purchase it right away. And to tell you the truth, I'm not really always pleased with how partials are turning out, because I usually get them for spending some time when, I don't know, waiting for my daughter, for example, from the activity. So if I'm flying somewhere or if I'm waiting for an appointment, just to occupy myself, I purchase this kind of kits to diamond paint, just to, you know, spend some time occupied. But this very kit looks really very gorgeous when completed. I really loved it. So that's how it looks. Spring, cherry blossom. It says that the size is 30 by 30 centimeters, but in reality it is a little bit smaller. 30 by 30 is the size of the canvas, but the size of the design is approximately 25 by 25 centimeters. It comes with 10 colors. It includes both crystals and special drills, special shaped, and it is partial, as you can see. So now let's look at the drills. And I forgot to mention that this very kit comes just with a standard set of tools. Okay, now let me open the drills. I think that this very diamond painting actually will benefit from acrylic or resin drills. As you know, like 99% of snack-sized kits like this, partials, especially the ones that include special shape drills, come with crystals only, sometimes AB drills. But I think that acrylic drills or resin drills will really look good over here on the roofs of the cottage, right? Much better than the sparklers. And they will also look and benefit, like this diamond painting will benefit from the acrylic drills over here on the trunks of the trees, because really, if we look at the trunks of the trees, they don't look sparkly in the meaning of the crystals, right? They look more matte, so to say. So acrylic drills would look much better on it. And also I have I'm thinking of modifying this very symbol on the trees, not the special shaped ones, but the symbol number 3. Why? Because it is diamond painted with this silver transparent color, but this is cherry blossom, right? Or apple, like apple trees blooming, but the color is not silver transparent. In real life, the color is white. So I'm thinking of replacing these very drills with white ABs. I think that it would look more natural than the transparent ones. These ones will look good on the, I don't know, on the ice, maybe icicles or the windows, but not as the petals of the flowers. It would look weird, right? Along with the branches, as I mentioned before, and the trunk, this one would be diamond painted most likely with the acrylic brown color. So now let's look at it. So first of all, gorgeous a light pink color. I really like this color, and I actually like the quality. It sparkles a lot. Gorgeous bright yellow color. Very beautiful shade of yellow. So this transparent that I will replace, and this brown one that I'm going to replace with the acrylic, most likely. Yeah, I love this lettuce green color. Beautiful. blue. And look at the special drills. Also, you know, I think that the designers gave it a thought when generating this very kit to the diamond painting and selecting special shaped drills, because this will look gorgeous on the flowers, right? The flower shaped drills, the transparent silver ones, the kind of like AB yellow ones, these are also special shaped, and blue flower shaped ones. I think it would look fantastic. Beautiful kit. So I'm going to diamond paint it now, and you will see how it will turn out completed. And technically it will be the third part of my video, so you will see two gorgeous completed kits, right? Snack sized, but both of them are really very non-trivial when it comes to the design wise, right? And just mesmerizing. And this is how it turned out. Oh my god, it is just incredible. I don't know, maybe this is just my subjective opinion, because like a week ago DC was blooming, cherry blossom and other trees were blooming like crazy, bright pink, bright lilac, white colors. And when I saw it on Temu, I saw the completed kit and I fell in love with it. So I decided to purchase it, and I think that it turned out incredible. Why? Because not a single snack-sized partial kit before turned out so detailed. When I look at it, I don't even see it's being partial. It looks like full to me, and the rendering and a blend of colors, or color blending, is perfect. So I like how the designer, you know, selected or blended the colors on the bottom. First of all, they are multicolored, yet they harmonize with each other. Or maybe I said it wrong, they look harmonious, right? And again, they look very detailed. Like when I look at it, I see every single flower, as if there is every single flower plus some grass over there, right? Leaves, green leaves. Now, the way the trees look like. Okay, before I mention it, I need to confess that I did customize this kit. I replaced, as I mentioned before, this color, this transparent color that was supposed to be used on the trees, with white and pink ABs, because, you know, if you ever witnessed cherry blossom, right, I'm pretty sure you noticed that they did not bloom with transparent silver colors, right? They bloomed either with white color or very light pink, and these are the colors that I use. For example, on this tree I used the only light pink color. On this tree I randomly used white AB from Diamond Dots and light pink from Diamond Dots. I also replaced brown color, brown crystals, with brown acrylic drills. So these drills, in my opinion, make the tree look more realistic rather than if they were diamond painted with crystals. They enhance the trunks, but at the same time they do not distract the attention from the blossom of the tree, right? Do you see these flowers on the trees, right? So this color was like the same transparent, right? Was supposed to be all over the tree, but I didn't really like it this way, so I decided to switch to white and light pink ABs, and I think they turned out super realistic. Again, when you look at the tree, you see every single flower that is on it, right? It's not just a blurry mess. No, you see every single branch, you see every single flower, and it looks amazing, just the same as in here. So whoever rendered the skit and selected the colors was a true artist, in my opinion. More than that, they not only selected really nice colors that blend between each other, but I liked also the fact that they also used special drills. You see, like yellow flowers, blue flowers, these things, I don't even know how to call them, this round faceted yellow ABs. So it looks really very nice. I used the transparent crystals over here on the windows for the illusion of glass. However, it's not really glass, but I like how I use it, as if this is glass. I also used the acrylic drills on the roof because also I thought that they were supposed to be red, no, not red, pink crystals. I thought that they do not belong on the roof. Over here, maybe, but not on the roof, so I decided to go with the acrylic again. I also diamond painted here the chimney with the metallic drills, golden metallic drills from Diamond Dots, and I diamond painted this house that was again, no, not the house, what is it, the mansion, the cottage over here, the walls, right, of the cottage, also with ABs over here with white ABs, and on top with light blue ABs. I ran out of the color here, light blue, so I had to use from Diamond Dots, drills from Diamond Dots ABs, but they're a little bit darker than, for example, these ones, right, that I had in my stash as a leftover drills from one of the AliExpress kits. So, but like in the end, I think it looks fantastic. I really love it, and I'm not even ashamed of giving it away as a gift, because usually I don't gift snack-sized kits because to me they look primitive. This one, I would say this is the first and the only for now kit, snack-sized partial from Temu or AliExpress, doesn't matter, that does not look primitive. Actually, it looks kind of complex, and I do not even notice when I look at it. I mean, it looks so gorgeous that I don't even notice it being partial. So I really like it. Most likely I will frame it and give it away as a gift to somebody, because, or maybe I will leave it for myself because I really, really like it. So if this kit is still available on Temu, I will definitely leave the link in the description box below. That's how it looks, and again, it sparkles amazingly, and the camera doesn't show the sparkle. I don't know why. So, but sorry for the cracking sound. I'm trying to show it when it is standing next to the wall. When it is lying on the table, it sparkles even less than that. So I guess when it is leaning towards the wall, when it is like standing vertically, or if it is gonna hang on the wall or stand in the frame, right, on the table as a decor, it would look better. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon.